Nakakaiyak. Sobrang ganda po. It's simple but it's very direct to the point at saka tagus sa puso.
Ang ganda ng storya at saka everyone, like lahat ng artists talagang ang galing nila. Thank you so much for bringing this amazing movie na super relatable talaga sa lahat.
It portrays a very good example kung paano umalis o mag-detach from a situation like that.
From start to finish, it will slowly take your heart. Especially doon sa confrontation at the end, that's a must.
Walang kwentang kapatid kasi sa inyo.
Di ba kami pamilya? Anong tingin niyo sa amin, ha? Mga walang kwentang basura?
The movie really leaves a walk-away feeling once you leave the theater.
Napakaganda, panuorin nyo na lang para malaman nyo. Talagang napakaganda.
And I would like to invite every single one of you, watch this movie.